પાર્ટ ઓફ એડમિનિસ્ટ્રેશન અને અમારે એક વેટનરી એસોસિએશનના પ્રેસિડેન્ટ ડૉક્ટર ભલાણી છે, એમની પાસે હું ક્યારેક રિલેક્સ થાઉં આપણી યુનિવર્સિટીની બ્લુ બેન્ચ ઉપર. ગયા વર્ષે મને મારા જ એક વિદ્યાર્થી ડૉક્ટર પાટીલ જે મેલબોર્ન ઓસ્ટ્રેલિયામાં છે, એમણે કહ્યું કે યુ કમ. એમનું પેકેજ જોઈને મને પણ એમ થયું કે ધેર શુડ બી ચેન્જ. પણ મેં ઘરે જ્યારે વાત કરી તો મારા બંને પુત્રો અને મારી ધર્મપત્ની જે અત્યારે હાજર છે, એમણે પણ એની જે બોડી લેંગ્વેજમાં નેગેટિવિટી બતાવી, એનું હું કાઠિયાવાડી ભાષાંતર કરું તો એમણે કહ્યું કે તમને ત્યાં મેલબોર્નમાં બધું મળશે પણ યાદ કોણ કરશે? કાઠિયાવાડમાં તો કદાચ ધીંગાણું થઈ જશે તોય તમારા પીર અને પાડિયા પૂજાશે. અને એ લેંગ્વેજમાં મને એમ થયું કે આજ મારું મેલબોર્ન અને આજ મારું ડેસ્ટિનેશન. એન્ડ આઈ રિટેન એન્ડ કન્ટિન્યુડ એટ જુનાગઢ. I again welcome President, our Honorable Vice Chancellor, Chief Guest Joshi Sahib, Guest of Honor Motibhai Sahib, our Educationist and Guest of Honor Kadubhai Sahib, and one and all under the roof of this auditorium to this highest auspicious academic function of the student, to which we call annual function. And morning we had the celebration of World Veterinary Day, where we had two eminent speakers, Dr. Nala and Dr. Lodia, and that too in presence of all this veterinary fraternity that marked the celebration. Junagadh has joined the veterinary profession globally, and the noting has been taken to the Delhi also that Junagadh is coming up. And today's blessing with all your presence has overwhelmingly encouraged me to continue such professional activity, which has given me a missionary support morally, mentally, culturally and otherwise. I welcome you again to this gathering. Thank you.
Thank you very much, sir, for such a wonderful and warm welcome address. Now, as per our tradition, we would like to welcome our dignitaries with flowers. So, I request Dr. P.H. Tank, sir, to welcome first Honorable Vice Chancellor, Dr. A.R. Pathak, sir. Thank you, sir. Then, Shri J.M. Joshi, sir. Dr. M.R. Patel, sir. And Shri Kadubhai Odedra, sir. Thank you, sir. Now I request Chairman SRC Dr. R.J. Padodra to welcome Dr. P.H. Tank, sir. Thank you, Dr. Padodra. I request General Secretary of Veterinary College Junagadh, Mr. Idrish Patel, to welcome the SRC Chairman Dr. R.J. Padodra, sir. Thank you, Idrish. I again request Idrish Patel to welcome all the invited guests sitting off the dais. Asatoma Satagamaya Tamsoma Jyotirgamaya. By lighting the lamp, we pray to God to accomplish the auspicious occasion without any hurdle and obstacle, and to get the blessings of God. May I now request all the dignitaries for lighting of lamp.
Shubham Kurutvam Kalyanam Arogyam Dhanasampadah. Shubham Kurutvam Kalyanam Arogyam Dhanasampadah. Shatru Buddhi Vinashaya Deepajyotir Namostute Deepajyotir
Now, we will hear a melodious and worth listening invocation song of Junagadh Agriculture University, which is composed by Dr. Balakrishna Joshi. But here it will be live performance by Dr. Chavda, Assistant Professor Polytech in Animal Husbandry Junagadh, and his team. So I request Dr. M.R. Chavda and his team for invocation song of JU.
जगत कृषि मूलम है संस्कृति कृषि वत्सलम है समस्त जगत कृषि मूलम है संस्कृति कृषि वत्सलम कृषि कार्य यश आयुर्बलम धन्य धान्य औषधि निर्मलम है समस्त जगत कृषि मूलम है संस्कृति कृषि वत्सलम सौराष्ट्र गाथा गुर्जरी मेहमानवाजी से भरी सौराष्ट्र गाथा गुर्जरी मेहमानवाजी से भरी भूमि प्रेम शौर्य सुशोभिता जगत कृषि मूलम है संस्कृति कृषि वत्सलम शिव क्षेत्र सागर सोम का ठाकुर बसे श्री द्वारिका शिव क्षेत्र सागर सोम का ठाकुर बसे श्री द्वारिका गांधी सुदामा भक्त नरसिंह गांधी सुदामा भक्त नरसिंह की कथा ये वैष्णवी है समस्त जगत कृषि मूलम है संस्कृति कृषि वत्सलम गिरनार पर जोगी जती केंगार नानक की स्मृति संस्कृति कृषि वात्सलम् कृषि क्षेत्र में कृषि कर्म है, वही नया युग धर्म है। कृषि क्षेत्र में कृषि कर्म है, वही नया युग धर्म है। सुन लो किसानों की सदा, सुन लो किसानों की सदा, ए देश बंधु धीमताम, ए देश बंधु धीमताम। ऐसा मास जगत कृषि मूलम, है संस्कृति कृषि वात्सलम, है संस्कृति कृषि वात्सलम, है संस्कृति कृषि वात्सलम।
Thank you, Dr. Chawda, for such a melodious song. Now we are pre-porting the felicitation of invitees and guests, especially for the Kalubhai Vodedra sir. So first I request Dr. P.H. Tank sir to felicitate Dr. Kalubhai Vodedra sir, Sri Kalubhai Vodedra sir, with a shawl. Thank you, sir. Thank you, Tank, sir. We are thankful to Sri Kalubhai Vodedra sir as he has remained present for the inaugural function, as he has to move for some other task. Now, as per our schedule, now we will be pleased that we are fortunate to have an eminent personality from veterinary profession with us as our guest of honor. So I request Dr. M.R. Patel sir for his guest address as a guest of honor.
Honorable Vice Chancellor Dr. Pathak, Mr. Joshi, Dean Tank, and fellow veterinarians and ladies and invited guests. At the outset, I should thank the students and the staff of this faculty to decorate me, to make me young by putting a safa on my head. Just a coincidence that next month I should say, is my wedding anniversary. It's about 1946. So you can count the number of years. It's touching 70. Another incident has been brought to my at that moment, that my grandson got wedded. I mean, he had his wedding in Chicago, in a very exotic place, and he insisted that we all wear this. Now, we had a lot of problems in that. Nobody to do that. So we had to get about 30 this one, all and from Jaipur. So this is just a reminder of a happy moment. Your students have thought of it, and I thank your students and staff for including me as one of the persons. Thank you, Dean. Now, friends, especially the students who are going to get or who will get this degree, you will be the first in India to get DVM. I think I should congratulate your Dean and the Vice Chancellor for such a speedy action. Now, speedy action, I mean, I told you in the morning what amount of efforts it takes to establish a college. I have gone through that process twice, and I know that. But then, with a record speed, I would say, with a record speed, it's like a bullet train. I mean, things are happening at such a fast speed, and I congratulate the whole of the university, especially the Vice Chancellor and his staff, that they are so cooperating, and more so the Dean, who is getting all the cooperation from everybody else. Now, DVM, Dr. Wetmad, see, those Canada and America has this degree, so is in South America. So, and Veterinary Council has recommended it from next year. So, I must congratulate the Academic Council. I am sure they must have approved of this action of accepting the DVM. And this will be the first time probably the batch will be coming out with a degree. Now, that puts an extra burden of you, the doctors. In the morning, I really told you what is expected out of you. And I again repeat that you are having an extra burden of maintaining the discipline and carrying the profession to the highest place. Now, as for me, particularly, I told you that your Dean is so loving and but insistent. And he is having always making a lot of mental note of things, not only what we speak, but what we act. So I think he must have caught me in a very right moment to make me come here. And I thank you. I thoroughly enjoyed being here. And it was a very great moment for me. Annual days, now this is an annual day. Yes, it's a moment for merriment, see, mirth and what not. So I don't want to burden you with any of the novel ideas, but the profession are going to charge you with a lot of responsibility, and I am sure you will be able to maintain it. It is the faculty and the students which make the college, not the dean and the officers only. Remember that. So I gave you a keyword, cooperation. Cooperation, maintain it, and maintain the discipline and keep up. When you graduate, you will have an oath of veterinary profession, and that will be the duty you will be charged upon to maintain the same oath. Thank you very much, sir. I have a little handicap about speaking, because it's not that what I was in 60 years back. So, but anyway, you are tolerating me, and it's very nice of you to listen to me very carefully. Thanks a lot. Goodbye.
Thank you very much, sir, for your address and the guidance you have provided to the students. It will be very much helpful for the students in future. Now we will move towards the next event of this program, that apart from the studies, the students of Veterinary College Junagadh have given the excellent performance for extracurricular activities as well.